Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do some static structural analysis on a range. We are going to see total def total deformation of a range while fixing one side and applying the pressure in other side. Here is it. So first of all, save SolidWorks file of range in a step file which we are going to input in a ANSYS Workbench. Here it is the step file, step AP203. You can save in IGS file, but I am going to do it in a step file. Here already exists. Save. Then then we are going to open the workbench. I have a workbench of 2022 R1. We are going to see load distribution in a static structure, so bring it on. Then input the geometry that we just saved, that step file range. You can edit geometry in a design model if you can, but we already design in a SolidWorks, so we don't need to. Then go to model. Here is it, our file. Here is the geometry, material structure still default material. Then we are going to mesh. First of all, we are going to generate mesh, which is default mesh. Let's see. It is not good. As you can see, first we are going to insert sizing. Click on body, select body, then select. We are going to make a size of 2 mm and click generate. It is done. You can insert face meshing, contact meshing for the precise. Then go to structure and insert. First of all, fix support. We are going to fix this side. Select. To select different thing, hold the control button and click and select apply, fix button. Okay, done. Then we are going to insert a pressure in other side. To scroll down, click the scroll button with the control button. We are going to do that inside. Apply. As you can see, it opened that. Then we are going to give a value of 10 power 5. Then what we want as a solution is deformation, total deformation, directional deformation, and stress. Then click on solve. Here it comes. First of all, total deformation. This is a fixed side, so first of all make the exterior. It's okay. It's no, so no diaphragm, so no wireframe. It looks good. Smooth contour. Smooth contour. It's good, I think. Smooth contour. Let's maximum deformation is here. Let's see the animation. Maximum deformation occurs at the point where the pressure is acting, and see that deformation. And we can grab this. Let's see this. We can see the maximum deformation at the point of red area and at the point of blue area. Then we are going to see directional deformation. Geometry for exterior. Where is the direction? Maximum, and there for stress. Let's see. Maximum stress is a red point. We can see at a crack. Yeah. See. Maximum stress is here at the joint. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.